time to get your sprinkler system winterized before it gets damaged by the cold weather in Cache Valley. Damage caused by incorrect winterization is the #1 source of sprinkler damage. Don't make it hard for yourself in the spring. Call Sprinkler Master Logan to winterize your system today. We go through a 5-step checklist to winterize your lawn irrigation system to minimize the risk of damage through the winter. First, we shut off your main line or the stop and waste valve. Then, we hook up our commercial air compressor and run air through each zone to ensure that each zone on the sprinkler system is adequately drained to prevent damage. We then set the sprinkler timer accordingly for winter use. If necessary, we will then open the bleeder valves. We finish up by shutting down the backflow by turning the ports to open and putting the ball valves to 45 degrees. Protect your system by calling Sprinkler Master Logan at 435-760-0827 or visit logan.utahsprinklermaster.repair.